Hello everyone. By using this module, user can see a smart button to create and perform an invoice in the sales as well as in the purchase module so that we can send more than one performer invoices. Also wants to register advance payment in the performer invoice that we have created, and when the final invoice is made at that time all the advance payment against that performer invoice received can be added in that invoices. Now, after installing this module, so let's get into the sales. And over here, now let's create a new sales order. And in this, I need to fill all the informations like customer, order line, and other more informations into it. Now, after filling all the informations, and here over here, I have added the customer signature too. Now, once it is done, now let's create and perform our invoice over here, and in this page you can see the partner name, sales order related to the particular proforma invoice, order date, and also the line. Okay, and from here you can edit a quantity and also the unit price. So if in case if I change the unit price, it will show the warning like subtotal should not be greater than the sales order item which we have created before. Okay, now let it be. So from here, I'm going to pay the advance payment as 200 for example, and I'm going to choose the journal. Okay, now the payment is done. Once we get back to the same sales order, you can see how many performer invoices are created and how many advance payment is done before. Okay, now let's get into the performer invoice again, and from here we can do the follow up. Okay, and over here you can see the signature which will be attached automatically, and also in the performer invoice you can see all the information which is same like the sales order, like quotation date, send date, origin, description, quantity, unit price, taxes if any. Okay, and now let's get back to the sales order which we have created before. Now let's confirm. After confirming the sales order, now let's create an invoice, and from here let's confirm the order, and you can see that the advance payment will be there in the outstanding credits. Now let's add that one. You can see now initially it will be in the partial state. Once everything is done, you can just make that as a done. The same functionality is available in purchase too. You can see an performer invoice option is also available for the purchase too, which is same like sales. So in this way, we can make use of this module to create and perform an invoice in the sales as well as in the purchase module. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.